Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see, we are working with some furniture. So this is an old desk that I picked up online for $25 on one of those sites. I think it was OfferUp. I purchased it actually almost 2 years ago, and when I originally got it, it was with a hutch that came with it, and it was completely brown. So I've since then sanded it down and I've painted this ivory white. Well, now fast forward to today, I've decided to no longer use it as a desk, but to turn it into my vanity table for my makeup area in my bedroom. So as you can see, I am giving it a new fresh coat of paint, and I am using the color Ultra White and Satin by Valspar. So the white is a lot whiter than what it was originally. And I'm just going to glam it up and just do something different to it, you guys. So just continue to watch so that you can see how it all turns out. I hope you do like it. So I'm so glad that I was able to grab this desk for $25 from OfferUp, and was able to use my creativity to repurpose it and to create something so gorgeous and so beautiful that it's just for me and is like no other one. So I'm just going to continue to go ahead and give this front of the drawers a coat of paint. And do you notice that the drawers are very short, and the downside is that there's only 2 of them. The middle piece looks like a drawer, but it's actually just a flat surface, like a writing surface. Remember, this was actually a desk. So that's the only downside of this vanity table, but other than that, it's perfect. So what are you going to see now is me doing something that is very popular. A lot of people probably are familiar with this technique. I am going to be using some Mod Podge, and I'm going to add in this iridescent glitter to the Mod Podge and give it a little swirl to make a little mixture of shimmer. So the idea is for me to have the front of the desk drawers shimmer with the iridescent glitter, and the Mod Podge will seal it, hold it in, and also add shine all at the same time. So now, as you can see, I've already added some gold foil paper to the inside of those drawers, just because I thought it would be very cute, seeing that my beauty room is in the color scheme of black, white, gold, and silver. So now I am lightly adding a coat of that Mod Podge and glitter mixture to the front of this drawer, very light-handedly. Don't use a whole lot of Mod Podge. I think I used maybe just a little bit too much of Mod Podge, so I did go back in and used a little bit more glitter to kind of counteract the amounts that I was lacking. All right, so this is the middle desk drawer that I was telling you guys about, that looks like it's this huge drawer. Well, it's not. It's this huge space with like this flat surface where I can either write on like a desk platform or to write checks or whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about, I hope. I'm going to go ahead and add the iridescent glitter to it as well. Now, because when I purchased this desk, the knobs that were on it was not pretty at all, and the ideal is to raise the glam factor up on this desk. So I purchased these lovely knobs here, and I'm going to use both of them. I'm going to put the two gold ones on the drawers, and then on the faux drawer I'm going to use the silver one. Alright, so I told you guys I was trying to raise the glam factor up, right? So now we're going to take this glitter contact paper that I picked up from Walmart, and we're going to add it to the top surface of the table. I want it to look like a glitter runner, like a glitter table runner. So it's not going to meet the edges. It's not going to go to the front of the table, and it's not going to reach the very back of the table, but it will reach from one side to the other side. It will allow maybe a 1 to 2 inch gap between the front and the back of the runner, but that's the intended look, you guys. I want it to look like a glitter runner. So you're going to measure it, cut it, peel it, stick it. Almost sounds simple, right? Well, I had a very difficult time trying to use this paper. It's very thin and it's easy to tear, and it's very difficult to try to run something on top when you're pressing out the bubbles without it scratching the glitter. So it's definitely tedious, but very beautiful in the end. So you guys see what I'm talking about. The struggle was real. It was so real. I tried to keep the contact paper as close to the backing as possible so it would be less amount of air bubbles. I don't know, you guys. I was just struggling, but I did win in the end. I did get it down there without any air bubbles. So patting myself on the back. So now we're going to be adding those gorgeous gems right here. These are adhesive gems with the sticky backing, and I purchased them from Walmart. They work perfect, except the stickiness is not adequate enough to stay on the furniture, and I had to learn it the hard way. Once I was completely done, and I was taking pictures and stuff, the gems started to fall off. So I had to go back in with some E6000s, which is permanent glue and does work wonderfully on wood as well. And I had to adhere the gems to the desk with the E6000. So do be aware that if you use these gems, that you will have to use a permanent glue that will work to keep them in place, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. But it was definitely well worth it in the end because the table is gorgeous, and this is how it all turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I mean, it is stunning, and it was so affordable and so easy to make. And as you can also see, I didn't show you guys, but I also had purchased from Lowe's Hardware a fiberglass top to go on this vanity as well, so I could protect the top glitter sheet, and also it adds a lot of glam and it's easy cleanup when I'm doing my makeup. So I hope you guys were inspired to turn something old into something new. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.